think you all know what this is. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Ben and I'm a photographer based in North Wales. I've just come in from the mountains, busy avoiding people, and I've come home to this. This is the Nomatic / Peter McKinnon camera backpack. I ordered this in October, so 5 months ago, and honestly I'd almost forgotten about it and it's just turned up. So let's get it open. Woohoo. Fly the flag, of course. Very nice packaging, I have to say. And there she is. I'm sure this is new. I don't remember there being a little plaque on there. Get rid of that straight away. So I remember seeing the first video announcing this bag and immediately it just looked like the perfect camera bag for me. For quite a while I've been using this Manfrotto something or other bag. It's about the same size, if not a little bit smaller. It's been decent, it's done the job, but there's a few, I don't know, little things. It just hadn't seemed quite right for me. You might remember from my previous camera bag video, this is the Panasonic Lumix something or other camera bag. It's pretty good. I actually really like it just as a normal day bag. You can easily get a camera body and a few lenses and accessories in there. Decent bit of space for a few snacks. Got a mini tripod in there and nice laptop or iPad sleeve as well. And I've really enjoyed using this bag, but you can't get that much stuff in there. So I can't remember the last time I saw a video about this bag, so this is a video of exploration as much as anything. Ooh, I like this nice tan and black look. Looks just like my dog actually. Nice big mesh compartments in the front, loads of space for any clothes or anything if you're going away for a few days, as I was hoping to do before everything happened. A few good elasticated pockets for whatever accessories you want. Really, really nice sturdy material on the outside. I have a feeling it's splash proof, I might be wrong. Pretty much waterproof, or at least weather resistant. There's a pocket right on the front here with a little key chain type thing and a little magnetic pocket as well.
Yo, what about incendiary
like a could be ideal for passport or something like that. Decent little pocket there for a water bottle or a little tripod or something like that with magnets. Very sturdy handles all around. Side access pocket, always nice to have. Laptop sleeve right against your back, and then the main compartment. Tell you what, these zips are super sturdy feeling as well. Tons of space. There's your rain cover right there. Extra straps for strapping stuff, and another one. And you can basically configure this however you want to. And also inside you've got another laptop or iPad sleeve and even more room for accessories. And again, fly the flag. It's nice, the little details. Sick. So this is not a review video. As any photographer or videographer will know, getting a new camera bag, it can take quite a while just to figure out your new configuration, where everything goes. I'm going to start playing tomorrow, going to start using it day in, day out, and then at a later date I will be doing a little review of this camera bag, and honestly I cannot wait to start using it. So if you want to see that video, be sure hit subscribe down in the bottom corner there, give it a like if you liked it, or if you didn't like it, I don't know, do it a couple of times. Drop a comment if you've just got this bag as well. I'd love to know what sort of work you're doing, whether you are working or just a hobbyist. I want to know how you have set up this bag and I'd love to see it. So until then, be good, get out there shooting and stay safe.